Unloading a dryer full of cold, wet clothes can be frustrating. When this happens, a faulty heating element might be the culprit. To quickly dry your laundry, electric dryers use a metal coil called a heating element. Over time, they can corrode or wear down, requiring replacement. The heating element is typically located near the bottom, behind the drum, or in the back panel of your dryer. To replace the heating element, 1. Be sure you have the required tools, including the new heating element, a screwdriver, an adjustable or socket wrench, and proper safety gear. 2. Unplug your dryer. 3. Remove the exhaust duct and access the back panel. 4. Locate the heating element housing. 5. Unscrew the mounting hardware and disconnect the wires. 6. Transfer the high-limit thermostat to the new element. 7. Install the new element. Reattach the wiring and secure the mounting screws. 8. Reassemble the dryer and plug it back in. While some dryer repairs are DIY friendly, hiring a professional can save time and prevent further damage. Find a reputable appliance repair technician on Thumbtack. Download the app for a free quote.